Hello. Welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys how to edit messages that are in your WhatsApp. To start, we need to find a message that we want to update. So I've kind of just put this in here so that I could demo this process. And what we're going to do is press and hold on the message. So we'll get the reactions up top. You can react to it if you want, but in this next section below, this is a drop down, these options, we are going to find the edit option here. And what it's going to do, you can see this is a long message. It's going to give us that message here so that we can then edit it. So let's drop this. Let's just put edit in here so we can see that it was in fact edited. So we can do that as many times as we want. You'll see at the bottom that it's going to say edited and the time that it was edited at. I'm not sure if you can turn that off, but it will be there. So yeah, that's all we got for today, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.